Alright, so I'm guessing back in October I filmed these units in my other neighborhood, but I couldn't film the new Ameristar because that was the day where it was installed. So I'll get these later because there's like more of them all the way over there. Got a Ring Classic Series unit, high efficiency air conditioning with a scroll inside. This is from 2001 at the 2.5 ton. October of 2001, and this is a Ameristar. Pretty good fan blowing out of it. Alright, 2017, also 2.5 ton. So yeah, this was the day where it's installed back in October. So got a couple of more ring units right here. This one's a scroll compressor. And this one looks like it has been installed recently, so it's 2017, also 2-ton. 2-ton, yeah. This one, a Ring Valley Series, right here. Let's see about this unit. This one looks pretty special on me. Alright, 2009, also 2-ton. So yeah, it's got R4 today. And yeah, we got several more right there I'm going to go into, so. Yeah, it's a 2017 Ameristar, 2001 Ream, right there. Not a pretty bad install, so. Yeah, I guess over and out. Alright, here we have a couple of more air conditioners. Here, it's a Ring Classic X unit. This needs to be cleaned, actually. There's a dog up there, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Alright, 1993 2-ton. I'm not getting the piece of shit right there. Just ignore the dogs, I don't even care. This was Ream Platform Series unit right here. Looks like mine's. It's really quiet. Or I think it's, well, why did I say quiet? I think the compressor's not even running. Or is it just... Oh, that's going sweaty. This is compressor's running. 2015, also 2.5 ton. Got a Goodman right here. Unit has been running. There's a lot of cars passing by, as you can see. 2014, 2-ton. I mean 2.5 ton. Sorry. And then all the way back over here, we got more, because I just walked by over here and I see more units right here. So this is air conditioner heaven. This one's a Rude, because I filmed this a while back. This is a 2012 2.5 ton. So got a Man of Distinctions right here. Man of Distinctions. Alright, 2012. It's a 3-ton. I thought this was a 5-ton because it says 16 here on it, so yeah. There's a person over there that just came back inside the house, so I'm not getting a Goodman. I'm just gonna try to get this. That's a hack job right there. Alright, 1993, also 3-ton. But this is the same thing. An older Goodman. This thing's quiet. Look at that. Also fan motor hack job. GMC. Goodman. Ream. 2012, 2.5 ton. This is all the same tonnage or something. Alright, 2011, 2.5 ton. These are the same tonnage, so. And there's that Tempstar all the way over there that I filmed a while back because it was a recent install unit. And there's a Root Achiever right there at first. This might be the next HVAC explorations. Oh well. This one's a bit noisy actually. Alright, 2008 3-ton. Those two disconnect boxes are open. This ream right here. Alright, 2012 3-ton. This one, it's actually sounding really good. That's a piece of shit, though, so. Got another root achiever, which is also really quiet. And then there's that temp star. There, it's actually off. Alright, that's 2006 2-ton. We got a temp star. Now this one's getting older right now. Oh, I hear one of them started up, but I didn't catch it on camera. Alright, this is from 2017, also 2.5 ton. Yep. I just wish it was a comfort maker. Because I pretty much like this brand. And I've noticed one of these ream plastic units that's really noisy. Not even airflow going out of it. 2005, 2-ton. Root achiever. I bet this is the same. 2007. This is a 2007 root. And I bet these are two 1994 ring units. Sounds really quiet to me. Oh wait, this is from 1993. 2.5 ton. And 1993 also 2.5 ton. Oh, we got more right there. I'm gonna get a closer look at it sooner later. That one is a Road Zephyr I've seen before. I've never. Oh wait, that's a Weather King. I totally forgot about that. And I can't go in these because they're in the locked up gates. I don't know how they install these units like this. There, that one is a train right there, which is from 2013 into 2-ton. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. They don't make these anymore. I'm so sad. This one's a new tone. Right there. Okay, we got more of these right there. This is Goodman's. Nordine right there. Marine Classic X. Which is, I bet it's also from 93. It's another Nordine. Or I bet this is a Philco. I totally doubt it. I totally doubt it, so. Socks are sliding down too much. This might be part of an HVAC vlog. Excuse me. And there's more right there, so I'm gonna go into that. It looks like they got a new unit right there, and this replaces a 93 ream unit I've seen. It looks like a Root Achiever Plus because I saw the logo of it. And we got this Goodman right here. This one's a GMC, but I took out the logo. So, and I'm right. This is a 2008 GMC. Goodman. And oh, I never noticed that. This is a GMC right here. This one has a rotary compressor. That's pretty nice. Oh, we got more units over here. Wow, this is like air conditioner heaven. This is a Ream. Classic. This is another temp star right there that I filmed as well. These are all units I filmed a while back. Whoa! Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Jesus. This is a 2011 GMC. I remember these. Temp Star, which is, I think it's from 2015. Alright, yeah, this is a 2015 19th week. That scared the shit out of me though. Got a rotary compressor. It's pretty noisy if you ask me. I believe this is a 2-ton because I can tell by the fan grille. One of this, it doesn't. I thought that was a rotary, but it has a cobra scroll. I knew it was gonna start it because I heard a click of something. So, and then with this ream right here, Valley Series. Alright, 2014 2-ton. Then we got like several of air conditioners over here. This one's a Goodman. I think this is, I can read the data sheet really good. This is from 2009. It's a CKL24-1R. It's a 2-ton. I've never seen a model number like this before. There's a Nordine right there. I think that's a new unit. I'll check that later. I think this is a thermal zone. 2013 2-ton. This is noisy. This paint coming off of it. And then ignore the dogs. And this one is a unit I've never seen before. All style AC manufacturing. Never seen it like this before. But the serial 2013, I think, 3-ton. This one's a Duquesne, I think. It doesn't have a nameplate on it. I've never seen an all-style unit like that before, so. Hey guys, I guess, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.